Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Forever. Let's begin by opening the game menu. From here select Options. Next go to Hotkeys and right here you can change one of those hotkeys. Let's say I want to change the secondary, not the signature skill keybind. I can either override it with a different one, or I can press the right mouse button to reset it. What does resetting it mean? It resets it to the default setting. Let's say I want to override it. And I don't like it on the letter T. It's quite too far from my hand on the keyboard. So I'll set it to the... Oh no, I cannot. I thought I could set it to the tab button, but I unfortunately cannot. The function keys also don't work. That's funny. Right. Let me set it to something, for example, like L. Can I actually select anything? What the hell? Ah. As you can see, this is somewhat bugged, I think. So please be wary. I don't know if it actually works. That's quite scary. But... Huh? No, do I really need to do this like this? Alright, I think I know how to do this, but that's quite silly. You first need to select this, cancel this, and then select another button. Let's say I want... No, this also delete the attack binding. Honestly, I am terrified. I think I will report this to the devs. But anyway, let's move on. Once they fix this, you will be able to hit override and then hit a key on your keyboard to actually override the keybind. Of course, there are many different keybinds available. I'll go through them all. There is the toggle auto forward mode, move forward, move left, move back, move right, jump, attack, secondary attack, signature skill, weapon skills 1 through 4, skills 1 through 4, dash, lock target, draw weapon, consumables 1 through 4, interact, see details, respawn, open in-game chat, close in-game chat, mount, dismount, inspect notification, inspect, and filters. This is for, I guess, for the controllers. I don't know why are they specified in this menu like that, but this is quite bugged out, so I guess that's par for the course. Once you are done changing the hotkeys, simply close the menu by pressing the X button. You can close the game menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.